Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook where you normally browse. Sign in and confirm whether you're on desktop or the mobile app. Once logged in, you'll decide the scope. Remove the home news feed entirely or selectively hide posts by unfollowing pages and people. Make sure your browser or app is up to date so settings behave predictably. While you proceed, keep in mind that different interfaces have slightly different menu names, so watch for settings, newsfeed preferences, or manage shortcuts as the first actionable targets. You now go into Settings and Privacy and choose Newsfeed Preferences or Feed Options. This is where Facebook lets you unfollow people and pages so their posts stop appearing. Once there, use Unfollow to remove sources quietly and choose Favorites or Reconnect to refine what remains. If native controls don't remove the home feed entirely, consider a browser extension or mobile shortcut that hides the feed container. Make sure to select reputable tools and understand permissions before enabling them. You finish by refreshing Facebook and testing on another device to confirm the feed is minimized or gone. This validates cross-device sync. If changes don't stick, clear browser cache or reinstall the app, then sign in again. This often resolves stuck preferences. Make sure to disable any extension and retry manual unfollowing if the third-party tool caused conflicts. And if you still see content, check for multiple accounts or linked profiles. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the app or browser after each major.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.